Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we are going to learn 10 sight words. We are going to say, spell, and use them in sentences. Are you ready? Follow my lead. Say after me. About. About. A-B-O-U-T. About. I read a book about stars. Now let's move on to the next word. B. B. B-E. B. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. Did. Say after me. Did. D-I-D. Did. I did my homework. Good job. You are doing amazing. Got. Got. G-O-T. Got. I got a new toy. Say after me. I. I like to play. Look. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look at my flower. You're doing amazing. One. O-N-E. One. I have one cat. You're doing amazing. Say after me. C. C. S-E-E. C. I see a star. Then. T-H-E-N. Then. I ate. Then I played. Now the last word. Was. 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 W-A-S. Was. It was a fun day. It was a fun day. Wow, you did amazing. You are officially a superstar. You learned 10 sight words today. You did a very good job. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to watch more videos. Bye.